Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear learners, welcome to online class Pangsha Rajbari. Dear learners, how are you? I hope that you are well by the grace of Allah. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear learners, your study is being hampered seriously because of closing your school. To reduce your loss, an online class has been organized by Maspra ML High School, Pangsha Rajbari. I would like to introduce myself. I am Khan Riyazul Haq Raju, English teacher, Maspra ML High School, Pangsha Rajbari. Dear learners, welcome to online class and enjoy my class. Today I want to discuss about sentence and its classification. At first, sentence is a group of words that making a complete sense. Sentence is a group of words making a complete sense. I repeat, a sentence is a group of words making a complete sense. Now we shall classify sentences. If we classify sentences, at first we have to know sentences are divided into two systems. Sentences are divided into two types. Number one, according to meaning. Number two, according to structure. Number one, according to meaning. Number two, according to structure. Today I shall discuss according to meaning. According to meaning, sentences are divided into five. Sentences are divided into five. Number one, assertive sentence. Number two, interrogative sentence. Number three, imperative sentence. Number four, optative sentence. Number five, exclamatory sentence. Assertive sentence. Assertive sentence is that sentence which makes a complete sense. Assertive sentence. Dear students, open your exercise book and write down on your exercise book. Assertive sentence. Assertive sentence is that sentence which makes a simple statement. Assertive sentence is that sentence which makes a simple statement, such as I eat rice. He is a good boy, etc. Assertive sentence is divided into two. Assertive sentence is divided into two. Number one, affirmative sentence. Number two, negative sentence. Affirmative sentence. Affirmative sentence is that sentence which admits any statement or which admits anything. Assertive sentence is that sentence which admits anything or which admits any statement. Affirmative example, affirmative sentence. Affirmative sentence. Affirmative sentence such as he goes to school. He goes to school. He goes to school. He plays football. I want a pen, etc. And negative sentence. Negative sentence is that sentence which gives us a negative idea. Negative sentence is that sentence which does not admit any statement, such as Rohim is not a student, he does not go to school, etc. Number 2, interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. What is interrogative sentence? Interrogative sentence is that sentence which makes any questions. Interrogative sentence is that sentence which makes any questions. Write down on your exercise book. Interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence is that sentence which makes any questions. Which makes any questions, such as do you go to school? Interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence is that sentence which makes any questions, such as do you go to school? Are you a student? Are you a student? etc. Imperative sentence. Dear student, now we shall discuss imperative sentence. Imperative sentence. What is imperative sentence? Imperative sentence is that sentence which express order, request and advice. Order, request and advice. Interrogative sentence is that sentence which express any order, request and advice. Imperative sentence. Imperative sentence. Imperative sentence. Imperative sentence. Imperative sentence is that sentence which expresses which expresses order, request, and advice. Order, request, and advice. Order, such as order, do the work. Do the work. It is one kind of order. Do the work. Please help me. It is one kind of request. Please help me. It is one kind of request. Do not run in the sun. It is one kind of advice. Do not run in the sun. It is one kind of advice. Dear students, now we shall discuss optative sentence. What is called optative sentence? Optative sentence. Optative sentence What is optative sentence? Optative sentence is that sentence which express any prayer or wish. Optative sentence is that sentence which expresses any wish or prayer. Optative sentence is that sentence which expresses wish or pray. Wish or pray. Optative sentence is that sentence which expresses wish or pray. Such as may you live long. May you live long. May Allah bless you. May Allah bless you. May Allah bless you. May you live long, etc. Last one is exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence. What is exclamatory sentence? Exclamatory sentence is that sentence which expresses any certain feeling, joy, sorrow, surprise, wonder, etc. I repeat. Exclamatory sentence is that sentence which expresses certain feeling, joy, sorrow, surprise, wonder, etc. Such as exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence is that sentence exclamatory sentence is that sentence which expresses certain feeling, certain feeling joy, sorrow, surprise, certain feeling joy, sorrow, surprise, wonder, etc. Example: alas, I am undone. Hurrah, we have won the game. Hurrah, we have won the game, etc. The exclamatory, I repeat, exclamatory sentence is that sentence which expresses certain feeling, joy, sorrow, surprise, wonder, etc. Example: alas, I am undone. Hurrah, we have won the game, etc. Dear learners, at last, I think any class cannot be interesting without any jokes. At last, I want to tell you a jokes, subject related jokes, such as আমরা যদি কখনো বিদেশে যাই তাহলে আমরা ফরেনার হিসাবে গণ্য হব। বিদেশ থেকে যদি কোনো ব্যক্তি আমাদের দেশে আসে তাহলে তাদেরকে ফরেনার বলা হয়, ইংরেজিতে বিদেশি বা ফরেনার বলা হয়। এখন বিদেশে যদি কেউ যায় বা বিদেশ থেকে যদি কেউ আসে, মার্কেটে যে কেনাকাটা করতে গেলে সর্বপ্রথম যে ইংরেজিটা লাগে, যে ইংরেজিটা জানার দরকার, সেটা হচ্ছে এটার দাম কত, এটার দাম কত। এটার দাম কত ইংরেজিটা সবার আগে জানার প্রয়োজন। এটা যদি আমরা ইংরেজি করতে যাই তিন ভাবে করা যায় ইংরেজিটা। হোয়াট ইজ দ্য প্রাইস অফ ইট, হোয়াট ইজ দ্য প্রাইস অফ ইট। নাম্বার 2, হাউ মাচ ডাজ ইট কস্ট, হাউ মাচ ডাজ ইট কস্ট। আর নাম্বার 3, সংক্ষেপে বলার ক্ষেত্রে হাউ মাচ বললেও হয়ে যায়, গ্রামার ছাড়া বলা, স্পিকিং ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজে হাউ মাচ বললেও হয়ে যায়। এখন আমাদের দেশের মাছের বাজারে একজন ফরেনার মাছ কিনতে গেছে। মাছ কিনতে যে ইলিশ মাছের দোকানে যা জিজ্ঞেস করছে যে হাউ মাছ। এখন ইলিশ মাছের দোকানদার তো আর হাউ মাছ মানে বোঝে না। ইলিশ মাছের দোকানদার উত্তর দিয়েছে যে এটা হাউ মাছ না, এটা হচ্ছে ইলিশ মাছ। তো ফরেনার তখন বুঝতে পারছে যে আসলে উনি আমার ভাষা বোঝে নাই, যার কারণে সঠিকভাবে সে অ্যান্সার করতে পারে নাই। তো ফরেনার চলে যাচ্ছে, চলে যাওয়ার সময় উনি বলছে ওকে, মানে ঠিক আছে। এখন ইলিশ মাছের দোকানদার তো আর ওকে বোঝে না, তাই ইলিশ মাছের দোকানদার উত্তর দিয়েছে যে ওকে মানে ও পাশে বসে রয়েছে আমার খালাতো ভাই। থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্টস, সি ইউ ইন অ্যানাদার ক্লাস। ওকে, আল্লাহ হাফেজ।